Testing. Hey, one, two, three. How you doing? Where's my people at? Who just called me? Oops. Benson, what's up, man? How you doing? Trying to get my lighting together. What's up? Where's my people at? Active income plus passive income equals wealth, part two. I want to talk to you guys today. It's summer in LA. We actually have sun out. We're having a good day. But I want to talk to you guys today about this active income plus passive income. I want you to really understand what's going on with this stuff, and I want you to understand where the money is. I need a pen. I want to write some stuff down so I can articulate this stuff and what it means. Let me see if I can find a pen. I am back. Now, let's get this money. This is what I want to get real clear on what you guys have to do. Look, active income. What's your active income? Let's write it down. Active income. You got a one side active, passive. See? One side passive, active. Active, you have, what is it? Your job? Uber. Uber. Um, Affiliate marketing. Um, However you make money, whatever you're doing to make money, that's active. Internet marketing. Marketing. Your own business. Small business. That's all active income. Active income. Passive investing. When you say active income, that means cash flow. Cash flow. What is uh, passive income? Passive income is anything that you have making money that you're not doing the work. It's just accumulating. The best active income is when you invest in business and you don't do the work. The work is being done for you. So somebody's doing it for you. That's active. You own um, Bitcoin machines or credit card machines. When the ATM machines, they're just sitting up there. You're making money. That's passive income. There's many you're investing in farming and somebody's doing the farming. That's passive income. When you just put the money up and you're making money from whatever you do, real estate, passive income, investing toward Bitcoin, Forex, futures, stock market, commodities, commodities, loaning your money out and getting a percentage when it comes back to you. That's passive. Those are passive things to make money. So that's the difference. So on one side you have active, which is job, Uber, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, small business. All that is cash flow. Okay. Now the key is you want to have systems the way also infopreneur. Infopreneur. That's when you're coaching, speaking, you know, speaking. That's all active. It's putting yourself out there, making things happen. Comedian, active, entertainment, all active. It's something that you have to do. So I choose affiliate marketing, internet marketing, and infopreneur. Those are the three things I do. Affiliate marketing, internet marketing, that's what I choose. See, passive, active, passive, active. So out of here, I choose affiliate marketing, internet marketing, and cash flow. But again, if you're doing Uber, that's creating cash flow. That's what we call active income. Money's just coming in. But you have to put yourself out. Now, because of the internet, because of technology, you can make uh, active income come in easy for you. You can enjoy active income and where it's not hard. This is what I do. I promote, I push, I promote, I push, I brand myself, and I use affiliate marketing. What I love about affiliate marketing is I only sell educational products. Like I'm with a group called Juju Mama, deal with relationships and polyamory. I'm an affiliate with that. Anybody who wants to join that organization. I'm an affiliate with how to trade Bitcoin, how to trade the Forex, how to sell on Amazon, how to do internet marketing, or how to do surveys. All that is how to work your credit, get credit and business funding, and how to work it. Educational. I sell educational affiliate marketing stuff. Then I'm an infopreneur. I coach. I inspire. I help people with relationships, wellness, personal power, self-development, and making money. That's all active, what I do. That's active. Um, but I focus on affiliate because you can make a lot of money. I don't have to create something. I'm not a genius like that. I don't have to create the business. If you've already created a business better than I could ever do, you didn't get it, Tyrus? Tyra? You check your, I sent it yesterday, 2 days ago. Make sure you send me you gave me your email. Look at your, what is the weather? Your dumpster, what is that called on the internet? Look on the other side. You may got it through on your trash. Look on your trash. So I sent it. So what you want to do is um, develop this system in your head. Think about active income and passive income. What are you doing to create money? That could be a job, part-time job, telemarketing. Yeah, okay, your junk mail. Check that. Anything that you want to do, you want to create money. Then you want to make that as easy as possible for you. If you start looking at yourself as a laptop, living the laptop lifestyle, your active income is promoting different programs that are working. But the programs that you have to promote, the programs that you promote have got to be things that you like to do. You got to be passionate about. I'm passionate about internet marketing. I'm passionate about trading. I'm passionate about making money online. So I have affiliate marketing programs that teach you, again, eBay, trade Bitcoin, trade Forex, because you should have that skill too. You should not just, even if you don't want to trade all the time, you should have that skill. So you always have skills that work for you. You should know how to do a capture page or create a capture page and promote and put an autoresponder to it where you can have people on your email list that you're getting traffic, because that's what the internet is about. You should know how to do a Facebook Live and talk to people and command attention and bring people in, like Tyree said to me, I'm still waiting on the email. This is what I do. I promote, I promote, I promote, put myself out there. And you should do that too, on whatever level you want to, because remember, active income equals cash flow. Now, if we look at passive income, passive income, business, Bitcoin, ATM machines, real estate, Bitcoin, buying and selling, investing Bitcoin, but where other people are doing it, the Forex, I can't, futures, commodities. I don't know what the last one is. I don't even know. Loan, giving out money, loaning out your money and getting a percentage back. All that is and all that is passive income. It's like Airbnb. I Airbnb a couple of rooms at my house. That's passive income coming in. So when you understand you have and what ratio should it be? I don't know. You can only do so much active income, but you can have a whole lot of passive income. So passive income will be more, but that active income feeds the passive income and it makes life fun. You become a go-getter. My mistake at one time is that I used to just be about passive income. And sometimes when you're just about passive income, like, hey, Colleen, what's up? Life becomes boring. But when you activate yourself, and when you understand there's an active part and there's a passive part, it's like Colleen, he's into things that I'm into, especially with Bitcoin and network marketing. When you're into that, you got to build a business, and that's active. Even though the passive part is the money being made, compounding, because somebody's trading the Bitcoin, that's passive. But you have to build a business. So I used to just be passive, but now I'm so activated that even most of my passive incomes, I am there's an active part in it into building business. I love my passive incomes connected to network marketing because I love building business, because I love active income too. It builds it faster. And so this is the key. Now, what if you have this set up? You have your active income coming in, money coming. Why is active income so important? Because active income comes in quick. It comes in quick. I'm up to about 200 a day just on active income. 200 a day is 700, is 1,400 a week, 2,800 every 2 weeks, 5,600 a month, just on active income. I'm trying to get it to 500. I'm working on getting it to 500 a day ASAP. That's active income. So the passive income, I've got accounts that have 6,000 in them. I have accounts that have 7,000, another 5,000. Okay, these accounts are passive that are building. They're compounding and building, and I'm building those businesses too. So I have, if they're connected to network marketing, so I have this active income, the money I make, and I put it in the passive income. Okay, the active income I make, I put it in passive income, and also put it in business toward computers, different internet thing. I'm going to get into, well, I do social media, but getting into buying uh, um, FB ads. Those keep my business going, traveling, keep the business going. So you want to put a little money in for that. But basically, I put the money in the passive income. So I have these two things going, this active income, this passive income. Now, then what you want to do as you're doing all this, get your credit together, get your business funding together, get your credit together, get your business funding together. So when you have your credit together and business funding, what people try to play you, they say, okay, you got your business funding, you want to put into the passive income, and a lot of people don't continue to be activated or have that active income coming in because now they're depending on the business funding to make me all the money. No, do not do that. Do not just get in, because that's the mentality that I got into before. Because when you're investing that business funding in passive income, sometimes the passive income can stall. Sometimes investments can disappear. Sometimes they don't do well. So you don't never want to depend on it all the way. So you want to constantly, even when you have business funding, you just want to do everything at a bigger level. Okay, a bigger level. You want to get a better place, because your business, your formula becomes your office, which your office becomes your space, especially as a laptop millionaire. And then when you travel in a different location,